One of the things that you need to know about your personal injury claim is what's called the Bates number, B-A-T-E-S. Sometimes lawyers will call it Robinson versus Bates. Sometimes lawyers will call it RvB. In any event, you're going to hear that, Bates, Robinson number, RvB. What does that mean? Well, here's a explanation as clear as I can make it. In its infinite wisdom, the Ohio Supreme Court decided that it wasn't fair that juries should only hear the gross amount of your numbers. So for instance, let's say that you were involved in a car wreck, you go to the hospital, you treat with a physical therapist, and your bills are $5,000. If you have health insurance, UHC, Aetna, Medical Mutual, and you submit those bills to your health insurance, the bills get paid at a discount. So let's say you had $5,000 gross in bills, and Aetna paid the bills at $2,000. What the Supreme Court decided in the Robinson versus Bates case is that the jury gets to hear both numbers. The jury gets to hear that you incurred $5,000 worth of bills, but the jury also gets to hear that the doctors, the hospitals, the physical therapists accepted as payment in full the $2,000. So insurance adjusters will not base their offers off of your gross bill anymore, unless you don't have insurance. So you may say, well, I got $5,000 in bills, and I should get $15,000 or $20,000 or $30,000. The adjuster isn't using the $5,000 as his or her baseline anymore. They're using the $2,000. And what this does is it tends to tamp down or lessen the amount that an adjuster is willing to offer in a claim, and it also tamps down or lessens what a jury typically awards on these kinds of cases, because jurors typically do not go with the higher number. There's a lot of unfairness to this because you, as the injured victim, had no ability to participate in the negotiation between the health insurance company and the medical provider. So whatever discounts they negotiated, that's what the insurance company is basing it on. You had no ability to participate in that, but that is the reality, and so you do need to know what an RvB, Robinson, or a Bates number is.